Arbitrum could retreat 1.4% tomorrow, CoinDataFlow forecasts. First up, here's how things are currently moving on the chart. At the moment, Arbitrum is showing a 0.3% gain since yesterday and trades close to $0.07941. Here come the forecasts from our analysts. CoinDataFlow gives a forecast of $0.0782 by July 5, which would be 1.4% below today. Traders Union projects a move down to $0.0787 for Arbitrum, which implies a loss of 0.8%. According to CoinCodex, it might be heading lower towards $0.07918, a decline estimated at 0.2%. Another prediction by CoinPrice Forecast expects Arbitrum may climb to $0.0795, roughly 0.2% above now. And finally, Digital Coin Price expects the price to reach $0.08057 by July 5, which is 1.6% above the current price. This is the most profitable forecast of all we reviewed. We've gone over 5 predictions. Let's continue. Let's now explore how each forecast might play out. Taking all projections into consideration, the likely price movement is between a decrease of 1.4% and a rise of 1.6%, depending on the analyst. So it turns out Digital Coin Price will deliver the highest return with 1.6% increase in value by tomorrow. That makes it possible to bring in between $2 and $16 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probability, CoinCodex ranks highest with a 93.8% chance of success. By analyzing all 5 predictions together, I've built a consensus scenario. With all forecasts combined, the consensus places Arbitrum near $0.07923. Let's break it down step by step. The consensus path points to a 0.1% downward shift. That translates into your capital growing by approximately 0.1% too. A 1,000 allocation could potentially bring about $1 in return. Based on the forecasts, the probability of this consensus outcome being realized is near 94.1%. Let's turn our attention to the 3-day projections. CoinDataFlow expects downward momentum to persist. Traders Union anticipates further bullish movement in the market. CoinCodex points to further weakness. CoinPrice Forecast believes no significant shifts are coming. Digital Coin Price suggests the direction is clearly higher. Taking all forecasts into account, the consensus points to Arbitrum following a lower path. Looking at the combined set of forecasts, the majority position indicates Arbitrum may gain ground in the short term. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were posted. Let's find out how close they came. As a result, the session closed at $0.08102. Yesterday's results showed that only a few forecasts matched the real direction. If we take accuracy into account, crypto predictions led the way. Now let's sort it out. 3 forecasts ended up inside the actual range. For ROI performance, some analysts stayed above zero, with the maximum gain at 2.8%. Here's a quick results overview, a visual recap of forecast accuracy and outcome. Based on the verified data, crypto predictions recorded 2.8% ROI and accuracy. Take a moment to look over the numbers and see who performed best this time. Let's take a look at how tomorrow's income expectations appear across multiple assets. Arbitrum remains below the leader as Kaspa shows 1.2% growth potential. For now, I've compared Arbitrum with just 4 random cryptocurrencies. The broader comparison is already featured on my website. If this quick summary saved you some effort, leave a like. It helps me keep going. See you next time, guys.